Today, we're going to see how our seed solar panel performs on a cloudy day. This is our solar panel setup. It's positioned in a fixed location on the ground, facing south, and angled to catch as much sunlight as possible, even when the sun is hidden behind the clouds. At the end of the day, despite the clouds, our panel managed to generate 0.384 kilowatt hours of free and clean electricity. Let's take a look at what these numbers mean for your electricity bill. In Georgia, where electricity costs are around 14 cents per kilowatt hour, the power generated today could save you 5 cents. If you live in Hawaii, where electricity is a bit more expensive, you could save 16 cents. And in Massachusetts, your savings would be about 10 cents. Over time, that adds up to significant savings, and more importantly, it helps reduce your carbon footprint. When the sky is overcast, the amount of sunlight hitting the panels is significantly reduced. Here, we're monitoring the power output using a meter. You'll notice that the power levels are a little lower than they would be on a sunny day. This is because solar panels rely on direct sunlight to produce peak power. However, even on a cloudy day, panels can still generate some electricity, thanks to the diffuse light that still reaches the Earth. And don't forget, as soon as the clouds clear and the sun breaks through, your power output jumps back up. That's the beauty of solar. It's always working for you, rain or shine. Thanks for watching. Join the growing community of people choosing affordable, renewable energy with plug-and-play solar. Check out our website to find the right solar kit for you and start generating clean energy today, rain or shine.